Hi, I'm from Boilers2Go. Finding the right boiler for a 4-bedroom home is vital for comfort and efficiency. Today, we're looking at the 5 best options for 2026 to help you make the right choice. First, the Worcester Bosch Green Star 8000 style. It's powerful, stylish, and perfect for high hot water demands in modern homes. Next, the Viessmann 100W. This model offers superb reliability and quiet German engineering, making it a favourite for larger households. Third, the Vaillant Ecotech Plus 840. Known for high performance and efficiency, it's a reliable workhorse for those cold winter months. Fourth, the Ideal Vogue Max C40. It comes with an impressive 12-year warranty and top-tier components for total peace of mind. Finally, the Viessmann 200W system boiler. It's the ultimate choice for large families, providing high power without compromise. At Boilers2Go, we help you find the perfect heating solution. Visit our website for a free quote and subscribe for more expert advice.